Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is a NEEWER Anamorphic Lens for the GoPro Hero 9, 10 and also the 11, which is the current model. And basically what I'm going to do is show you what you get in the box, and I'll show you attaching the lens, and then I'll upload another video a bit later with some footage that I've taken with the GoPro with this lens so you can have a look at it. So in this video it's just going to be the unboxing. So anyway, let's get in the box and see what we've got, and we'll go from there. Okay, so the first thing out the box is another little box, and it comes with this very nice little carry case. So if we open this little carry case up, we are presented on one side with a little microfiber cleaning cloth, which is good. They've included that. And then on this side, they've got the actual lens. So let's have a look at the lens. So taking the little cover off the lens, you can see that it's quite a nice looking lens, and it's definitely all glass and very solid feeling. So that's nice that the quality is there for this anamorphic lens. So next, let me get the GoPro, which I've got here, and we'll take the existing lens off, like so. And then we'll put this other lens on. Like so. So now we've got the anamorphic lens on, and it fits really nicely on the GoPro. It does stick out a lot more, but it does fit really nice and snug. And it definitely is going to be interesting taking some shots with this anamorphic lens. So as I said at the beginning, this is just basically a very quick unboxing video of this lens, and what I'll do is I'll follow this video up with some footage so you can see what this lens produces when it's attached to the GoPro. Anyway, till then, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.